happening, everybody? You know what I'm saying? Your boy D Greasy coming at you again with another video. It's been a while. This is one of many videos yet to still come. I bought these like probably 2 months ago, but I got some real shocker drawers right here. I got them from, I want to say with Geek Parts or carparts.com. They're actually like $35 for 2 of them. So we're going to see exactly, I guess, how good they are. So, I mean, you buy something for $35 and then both of them like 2 for $35. Makes you kind of wonder like how good they are. But I actually got some Teen Lower Springs that I'll make another video about that I'm going to actually put on too. But because I'm putting on new springs, I want to put on new suspension. So that's why I bought these. But stay tuned. That's a couple of days, man, since the weekend. I've been working, so I haven't had time to do it. And, you know, it's been fairly beautiful. You know what I'm saying? The weather's been good, but like I said, I've been working 12 hours. So I basically, you know, the daylight savings happened. So I basically like lost all my daylight by the time I get off work, you know what I'm saying, to be able to come home and do the project. Well, today's my first off day. So that's why I'm out here today. And guys, it is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So this is what we got going on right now. I already got the tire off. I already got the breaker bar on here and broke loose this, what's that? I think 17mm bolt. So now I'm about to take my little handy dandy little tool here and get up in there and break these 2 bolts loose and yeah, get this thing cracking. So like I said, man, I already broke the bolt loose with my breaker bar, so now I just, you know, loose the rest of this bad boy off. Take a little break. I'll break over. So I feel like I should have actually gone ahead and unbolted the top first, because man, this is a struggle trying to snatch this out right now because you know what I'm saying, you know, it's too much tension still built up on this thing. All right, here we go. Got the first one out. Oh, and you know, just probably a heads up. It probably, you know, maybe beneficial to unscrew these and take these off so you can actually move these out the way a little bit. Because when you try to get to the backside one up there, it's kind of in the way. The heads up for everybody who's actually, you know, looking to replace their rear shock absorbers. So this bolt right here, 17mm. Then you actually have 2. I believe 12mm bolts or nuts that you have to take off from the top right there, and the one that's actually on here to take the sleeve off of the shock absorber itself is actually going to be a 14mm. So upon comparing the two and actually putting them side to side, I think it actually was a good choice to actually buy some new shocks, because yeah, as you see, the new one is actually extended a little bit higher than the old one. You know, in order for it to actually get the full extension of the old one, you actually got to pull it out in order for it to actually get the same length. But with this one, you know, once I took this black clip off, you know, it came right out. So it's probably a great choice for me to go ahead and decide to replace my shock absorber. So the old board that was on top of the old shock absorber, the OEM one, is actually 14, but this one turned out actually to be a 15mm, so bigger for some reason. Wait, nope, trying to put it on.
Put they 2 in the bucket since they can hate or love it. I'm feeling G-double-O-D and free like Willie. I'm too old to play games with the kids like Gilly. I'm in the good place even if the vibes is iffy. Spread love like hippie, spread love like Jiffy, for real.
seen, remember?
My first performance, oh well, I'm out my comfort zone now. I got no choice but propel. I'm proof you ain't gotta be on the block to excel. They ain't get it, they rather be on block and sell. Make your way out of hell, bro. I believe in you. Deep inside,
Oh, come on.
it's a tree in you. Strong and free within.
All right, we're in there.
Stuck deep into the mindset that make you a king instead of kingpin.
That boat back in there. I got that bad boy back in. And yeah, we're done. Alright, everything back bolted on. You know, everything back where it should be. Kind of look better, nice and black. You know, it's not all old and faded like such. Yeah, man, it was fairly easy. Wasn't a hard thing to do. Shout out to Nissan when it comes to that. But you know, in the engine, man, it's a lot of parts and components of that one. But yeah, but also too, when it comes to taking the thing off, it's gonna be a little snug. So you're gonna kind of want to hold the this part right here through the sleeve, so you actually take the bolt off without it actually, because it's not just gonna keep spinning. But yeah, that was what I had to find out. So that's my little tidbit for that. I did the driver's side, so I'm actually gonna do the right side, but I'm not gonna take all the time to do the video on that one. But so it's finished up with the passenger side. It's done. You know what I'm saying? Tire back on the other side. I struggled a little bit on this side, whatever. I had a little issue with trying to get the bolt back into the bottom of the shock absorber. It wasn't sitting in there properly, so I had to play with that a little bit. Finally got it to sit in, was able to tighten it down, whatever. I'm trying to keep having these video things going, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I be trying, but, you know, work, everything else. But I know a lot of people do cars, a lot of people do, you know what I'm saying, G37 cars, videos, whatever. But, you know, hey, everyone's different. Everyone got different style, different car, different parts, you feel me? But yeah, man, if y'all think I should keep going with it, you know what I'm saying? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, whatever the case might be, man. But I'm gonna keep trying to do this thing, you feel me? Over and out. Greasy.